You're watching an Andes Collins in China daily video. Thursday, June 20th, 2024. It's another rainy day. Here's what I did yesterday. Okay, here's the idea. Here's the plan. I'm going to make a video of rainy day sights. Maybe even make a rainy day song while I'm doing it. Look, there's one rainy day sight. A poodle. Umbrella person. A person with an umbrella. Another sight, of course, is the water on the car. Oh. Here's another puddle. And of course, raindrops on the window, raindrops. It's later in the rainy day. What was it? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday, June 19th. Anyway, missing opportunities. I was taking, videos of, people riding bikes, holding their umbrellas while doing so, which is an interesting thing. And also, what else have I seen? Well, just people in their fantastic sort of raincoat garb that they need to wear when they are riding their e-bikes. Yeah, if I get that video too, that would be cool. But rain keeps subsiding. Raindrops are falling on the pavement, but that doesn't mean anything all because it doesn't mean anything. Yeah. Let's see if I could find my car in this bank of video things. Yeah, she's right there. There's her car. Excellent. Just got facial ID for the door to this complex. Let's see if it works. Oh my God, it does. See? Door open for me. Amazing. Well, and you can see the water falling on the canal that is near our apartment complex. Anyway, I'm going to go for a walk back to our apartment.